Imagine yourself in this 2010 GMC Sierra 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.3-liter V6 engine, 4WD type, part-time, air conditioning, automatic transmission, bed length, 78.7, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights and dusk sensing headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.